Congratulations, worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hating, say we changing, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. There was never.
Look behind me, it's probably not showing up as good on camera, but that is crazy. And like, it's just now starting to begin to rain. And look how crazy that is, y'all. That is crazy. I will keep y'all updated. I guess my walk has been eliminated today. But you know, that's good. And I just said hey to the new neighbors or whatever, and they seem really nice. But that is crazy. I'm sure y'all hear it or whatever. Dripping. Whoa, did I catch that on camera? It was like lightning. It was so cool. I'm trying to stand here, see if I can get another shot. But yeah, that is just crazy. But I will keep you all up to date. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call today's vlog storm update. I don't know. But yeah. Yeah. So those were the cool shots, whatever. I'm back inside. Amazing, right? What's that? You want to die down, Rain? The rain wants to die down? Now let's compare the shots that I just took to these shots. It's like nothing compared to it. But yeah. It's cool. Now I'm going to transition inside. Okay, I'm here. Anyway, so later on in the day, I have to go do something really cool. Can't tell you what it is yet, because I want it to be a surprise. But y'all might, it was in the title. Comment down below what you think it is. Anyway, I'm so tired. It's not even funny. But I have to. Bring me the kitten. Bring me the kitten. Let her be in the vlog. Let her be in the vlog. You can give me kisses, but I can't give you any. What are you doing? I think me and her both is. She has curled up. You want to be back in the vlog? Vlog life? Vlog life? Cat life? I don't know which one she wants yet. Cat life or cat vlog life? Ow! 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 Come out this way, sweetheart. Sweetheart, this is the way out. Sissy. Yeah, Lily. There you do. There you go, Lily. Lily, say hi. Say hey. She just knocked y'all guys down. I'm so sorry. But okay, I'm gonna transition to getting in the car.
Then you smiled over your shoulder.
So guys, I look correct, but yesterday I forgot to end the vlog. And I lost the footage of whenever we were getting our dresses hemmed and all that. But it is current day. And I just woke up because I was up late editing. And I'm getting this posted right now for you guys. But I hope you'll have a great day. And I will post tomorrow. Bye guys. Fist bump.
Rob Stone, 2 damn phones.